Hi there, here's a sneak peek of the Whimsical Workshop studio for the Stitchin Heaven. So this here is where we keep our products. This is Matthew's fabric that he designs for Benartex. We've got Bouville, and we've got Dino Age, and Monsters in the Machine, along with my whole catalog of patterns that we have used and developed over the last 20 years. Here's our shipping area where we ship all our packages out, and our spare cabinet. And then here's the studio. I'm working on a project here. I have my cabinet. I have my lovely Arkin mount that I use to shoot video. Lots of goodies in here. There's my AccuQuilt library with dies ready to go, origami wall, and then all of that are projects under construction. They're all projects to be made from our patterns or for other companies. Then we got my ironing surface, which has drawers all underneath it, and my awesome wool pressing mat that I absolutely love. And then we got our cutting area with all of my knick-knacky stuff. All of the sewing tables are lit with my slim lights, which I absolutely love the lighting. And here are all my fun fabrics that are not cotton. And then up here are all my little knickknacks that I've collected over the years doing shows and lectures. There's my hamburger puppet. And then we have all the art supplies for when we're doing non-quilting. And then this is an extra cutting table or a workspace for Matthew when he's in the studio, though I commandeer the table a lot for projects. It's lots of storage. Lots of pretty things around. Try to keep it happy and inspirational. So, I hope you've enjoyed our little tour of our sewing room. Lots of goodies. This is a sneak peek of our quilt for the Alaska cruise with Stitchin Heaven next month. And these are all my stash baskets. Don't have a lot of stash. I have basics, I have some tonals. Don't use a lot of extra fabric because I do so many projects with fabric companies, so they send us the fabric for each project. Here's my trusty Bernina, where all the magic happens, and my lovely Robert sewing cabinet. So I hope you've enjoyed the tour of the Whimsical Workshop studio, and I look forward to seeing you in the future.